Hi viewers, I am going to do some quick and easy recipes and I hope you will enjoy preparing all these things. But one more thing I have to tell you, that is I am going to do, one of the viewers asked me to do this recipe. Because of that I am going to do, that is chicken stew. How to do it, that's what she wanted to know. So I am going to do that in a different way. So we will see how the chicken stew we can do it in the proper way. Like I have taken chicken with bones, right, 350 grams. Along with that, first thing I am going to do is I'll put a little salt. Definitely we need a little turmeric and a little pepper. First thing I'll put little of everything and mix it nicely. Actually 10 minutes I kept to marinate. After 10 minutes what I am doing is just 10 minutes. If you keep more than 10 minutes, no problem at all, but at least 10 minutes, salt, pepper, turmeric we put and we kept it like this. Allow the water to dry out. Now what I am going to do is, we have not used potatoes, so I am going to use the potatoes now and we will see potatoes also raw, cut into small pieces, small square pieces, and that also I will put it into this. We will add the oil and stir fry this. Roughly about 1.5 dessert spoons of oil I have put. Chicken and potatoes I have put because when the chicken gets fried, even the potatoes have to get cooked well and fried. That other vegetable that I have selected is carrots. Carrots also into cubes. That also I will put it now. All these have to get fried and cooked. Stir fry nicely. Now what I am going to do is, it's almost fried, so I will use the onions. Can you see? Onions also into large pieces, square pieces I have cut, and then garlic. With this, a little garlic and curry leaves also we can use. I'll use this later, the tomatoes. Okay, now I could see here, I will use roughly about 1.5 cups of chicken stock and allow this to get boiled. Suppose if the carrots and the potatoes are not boiled, it will get boiled. I poured 1.5 cups of chicken stock. You might be wondering from where I got this chicken stock. Actually, to tell you, you can always take chicken bones, right? You can buy separately chicken bones, or you can cut the chicken bone separately and take it, and with onion and little green chilies, garlic, curry leaves, all that you put, pepper, salt, turmeric and all that, boil with a little, say about 3 cups of water, and then strain and take the water so that it will be the stock. Now we can see this is getting cooked well, and I am putting a little more. That time I put only a little bit of pepper, so now I am adding a little more pepper and a little more salt. Now I am going to add the tomatoes, if you like, lastly the tomatoes. Tomatoes also we will add it, and then I have a little milk, that is about 1/4 cup milk. I have it, fresh milk, or you can have even coconut milk, it's okay. 1.5 teaspoon of that. Mix it nicely in the milk. Fresh milk, 1/2 cup, or coconut milk. Better fresh milk. This is the stew that we have done. Now it's almost getting cooked. To make it a little tastier. About 1.5 teaspoons of butter I have put into this. Allow to simmer a little, not too much but slightly. Since I have used the corn flour, it will get thickened. Now it's ready. See, it's beautiful. And I will put the mixture into this glass bowl. If I put, keep a spoon so that for the tension it won't break. So that is done. Now what I am going to do, the stew is ready for us. I have taken some buns. I have taken these long buns which are, it's called hot dog buns. I have taken this, or French bread, dinner buns, whatever you like, you can take it. So what we do is take a little bit of butter, mix it with a little mustard cream. Mix it nicely. Little bit of salt. Spread this. I want to have it with the stew. Mustard cream, salt and butter. Can you see the lines? Oh, beautiful, because it has a burnt effect also, and it's so nice to have it. Now I have done the chicken stew and the toast bread, that is with mustard cream I have used. Like garlic bread, mustard cream, you can use it. Now see, if I am really going to have this, what will I do? I will just put a little bit of my stew, and there is a little gravy in it. You can have the gravy also, and I will take one of these bread, and it's ready for me to have my dinner chicken stew with the bread, toast bread. I will have it. So you too can enjoy preparing like this, because this is something really nice, and I hope you will enjoy. It's quick, easy to prepare. So I will see you next week with another episode. Till then, bye from me now.